12,500. Hey! Woo!
200x on the red one and 450x on the blue one. High-powered 20x! Woo! Let's go! Targeting. Most likely the most exciting round of the session. So
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
About good vibes over here and Zlatan as well. Dun, 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 dun. To make some crazy time. Whoa, 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 puppy, calm down, stay. Nice, good puppy, good puppy, good puppy. Guys, believe it or not, I just found the crazy time. And there is TOPSLOT. Ha ha! Go home, Ralph. Let's go home. Guys, by the way, you are welcome in my home. Behave and pick one of the three floppers, green, blue, yellow. Ta-da! Majority picking the blue. Can we get 300, baby? Oh, green, you here? Hello, green. Double the fun. Wow, green. 600. Oh, green, you still here? Hello, green. Let's get ready for 1.2 thousand times multiplier. We need the biggest win of all night. Yes, we do.
This is the amount of money issued: 694,919 euros.
Oh la la, majority 75x green, 240. Almost 7.2 thousand of you with money, Kish 33,000, Dia 24,000, 15,000, third best win. How much I got? 10,000. Let's go. Winning. No way. We got 3x on Pachinko, by the way. Hey, that's my biggest win like all time, guys. And as you can see, it's not over till it's over. We have Pachinko with 3x. Thank you, Captain. See you maybe later. Gee. Wow. Wow, I'm still speechless. And this will be 6 just in case. Now this is 9, 15, 21, 30, 45, 16, 300 is over there. I don't know what to say, guys. I will just make some random steps. Who knows, maybe I will give you 300. Maybe I will get double and 600. You never know, right? Fancy stuff, let's go! Let's go! Are we close to 300 or double, guys? I need some help. That Max Verstappen is so...
This is the amount of money issued: 1,750,965 euros.
Cash in, guys, cash in! More than 6.8 thousand of you with money, 88,000 top win, 45,000 second best win, Ani 37,000. Make it rain! Woohoo! Look at that! Look at that! Am I kidding you, buddy? If I'm kidding you, please kid like that as well. What is happening? Is it Monday or is it Christmas over here? 5X on number one for the safety, by the way. Speaking about safety, 5-1 payout from the one. Woo-hoo. I don't know what to say anymore.
Crazy time. I'm kind of surprised. Wow. Come with me. Hello there. Welcome once again. Hello. Back to back or what? Woo. We're having some redemption, hopefully. All right. This is very, very, very exciting. Most likely the most exciting round of the session so far. All right, guys. Everything is multiplied by 10 on a wheel now. You know what's left? To make those little decisions, right? Ooh, I don't know if they're little now. Guys, we have the yellow, the blue, and green flappers, so you have to choose which one's going to be yours. Which one you think is going to be the luckiest? Guys, last seconds, the highest, the multiplier is 1000x. Good luck to all of you. Bam! Here we go. Let's see what you can get here. And we also have a double on the yellow one. Hello, my yellow friends. Let's double that 1000x up, and now the highest multiplier is 2000x. Good luck to all of you. Let's go. Let's see what you can get.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,153,167 euros.
Welcome back, guys. Hi. More than 12,700 winners. Look at those big wins. Congratulations. Wow, we got 500, 100, and 300x on the last crazy time. Good job, guys.
100x is there, you know, just saying. More chance for you guys to actually get them. See? That's pretty. A lot of 700x's. Let's shuffle them up. Whee! They think your hands are gold. Not really. They scratched and bruised, though. More like copper, you know. Carousel stops, and you can choose the symbol you want to aim for. Symbols and multipliers are not related to each other. If you can't pick in time, I don't think we'll do it for you, okay? So, yeah. Find 700x. There's a lot of them there. Hello, I love you. Stop it. Stop it. But continue.
This is the amount of money issued 850 to 1,363 euros.
802 of you got 700x. 1,607 of you got...
But with it 7 times TOPSLOT. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. Your record? Who's that? Your record calling, guys. 100 days turn the maximum. 7 times TOPSLOT takes the place. So, woo! Every single multiplier is increased 7 times, which means 700x the maximum to get. So let's go! Every day I'm shuffling. That's 525x, 140x, like 40x. There's so many beautiful golden multipliers, guys. Every single multi is covered with emojis. Under any emojis, any multiplier up to the 700x. As well, they have changed locations and pictures covering them. All what you need to do is choose one spot. If you can choose, how to pick, guys. Whew, let's go. Let's do this. It's a reveal of...
This is the amount of money issued 568,923 euros.
Fantastic multipliers around. 700x goes for 96 if you're 340 if you got a 525x. 8.2 thousand winners and got 48 8.7 thousand winners. Woo! And that's how the whole new record of the day's made and built. Enjoy, guys. I told that you can do it. Post your wives. Good job. 700x, everybody. Good luck, everyone. Whew. That's what I love to see. It is a coin flip. 7 times tops it out there. 4 coin flips on a wheel. But we're hitting on a number 10, which also is amazing. 10 to 1 plus initial bet. Congratulations, 5.3 thousand winners, and here's the first place. 1.5 thousand win. Enjoy. What happened? I missed.
Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop, 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Good luck. That's us. Oh. Okay. Did you know that apparently Nicki Minaj really doesn't like performing that song show? Oh boy, 20X and Grace Black. So she really never performs the song in her concerts. Oh, please, please, please. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, we have crazy time with 20X TOPSLOT. Oh my goodness. Well, let's go. Well, let's apply our 20X. Woo! Let's go. Well, choose your team. Blue, green, or yellow. Oh, I hope we can also get a double. That would be so nice. Okay, it's time. Good luck. 2,000X is the highest on the wheel. Let's get it.
This is the amount of money issued for 1,093,889 euros.
So that's gonna be 300x for the green. Let's see the multipliers. $200x on the red one and 450x on the blue one. Good luck to you. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 1,771,167 euros.
Still good, still good. They were, well, 200x. On a coin flip, can you imagine? Right after we got that 5? Hello? What's going on? Guys, if you're new here, welcome to the Crazy Time. I'm Gabby. Bets are closed. Alright, good luck to you. I love you too, guys. You're the best. You're the bestest of the bestest. 2x on cash hunt. We're doing some crazy things here. Oh, that was almost cash hunt. I guess it's a number 1. Number 1. All right. 7,742 winners.
There! 25 times I don't even know how to do mathematics. 12,500. Hey! Woo! Let's go! 12,500 times multiplier. You can get it over there. Woo! Guys, you have one mission right now. Focus and make yourself rich over there. That's all I will say. All is up to you. You can do it. I believe in you guys. Woo! Gee!
This is the amount of money issued to 1,824,642 euros.
500. There you are, somewhere over here. It's shining. Everything is shining. 30 players got 12 ways. Oh, wow. 6.7 thousand of you with money. 320,000 as a top win. 320,000. Oh, snap.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.